entering the intersection. And again, maximum 80 kilometers an hour. Okay, ahead you can see some orange signs. That's telling you that there's work ahead on the road. See the man with the shovel? So I don't know if they're actually working, but pay attention, look ahead. Because if there are workmen ahead, then it means you're gonna have to slow down. Now the speed here, see the speed sign, it says 80. But there's also the orange sign saying construction, but there are no construction workers on the road so far anyway. So we can drive at 80. Look way ahead. You can see more signs. That car he's using as brake light, so he's slowing down because of the work ahead signs. Okay, so now see what's going on? They've blocked off this lane, so we have to wait until that lane is clear, and there's someone there with a stop sign held manually, and now it says slow. So just signal to the left, check your mirror and shoulder, and drift over to this lane. So you can see that that lane is blocked because they're working on it. So it means that the traffic coming this way, they have a stop sign. So once we get through it, then the other drivers on the other side, now we're going to go back to the lane, signal and check to drift over, and then cancel the signal. So those cars coming this way, they're going to get the slow, like drive slow sign. Okay. Now this is a fairly long video, so I expect the SD card to be full in no time. So before it goes, if it goes off suddenly, don't be mad at me. Please like and subscribe to this video, and of course I'll see you in the next video. Now it's possible that the camera will not go. Let's see, this is 80, but I'm doing 65. And there's a car behind me, so I have to get up to 80. Ahead you can see the green lights, and I'm doing 80 on my approach. Check left, right before getting into the intersection. And of course you can see the sign there again, 80 kilometers an hour. Yeah, so as I was saying, please like and subscribe. Until I see you in the next video. Let's see how long this is gonna go before the SD card is full. Alright, again we're on a flat surface, and now we're gonna be going up the hill. And this is a very gloomy day. It's gonna rain.